Uyarasiyana mabuka ngigqoke abit.
Ungagciki abit. Yamagabi. So it happened that when I was busy on YouTube, I bumped into this reality YouTube show called Uyadlelwa. So I watched the first episode. It goes down like this. There's a couple called Usihle Nolindi. So Usihle and Nolindi are romantically involved, and they are hosting a party because apparently Usihle is beefing with Umlibat. So the reason Usihle and Umlibat are beefing is because Usihle is apparently dating a girlfriend like Umlibat, but to no call. Right? But to no call yena akathandi legama la noxolo ufuna ukubiza ngothando. Apparently unoxolo was never her name to begin with. Igama lakhe lamampela uthando, but no one knows on the show ukuthi igama lakhe uthando. It's the funniest thing I've ever seen. But anyways, so this movie, the film, iqala makufika i-steering, the two steerings, the film. These two guys here, the soul of the film. But mabafika nje kwashuba. Bona abantu sebayadaka.
Lalela mfowethu. Nawe ngikufuna okay, senzo ufuna ukwenza senzo. Awukahle mfethu. Ima phela uchempla kinyeni. Okay, angamsebenze ekamera. Wena ufuna.
So Umlibat was invited to this party. A host Usihle no Lindi, the couple, and as a result, then Umlibat now invited girlfriend back, right? No clue. But to Lindi is not a way go to Umlibat to invite girlfriend back no clue, and Lindi is suspecting go to no clue yabo Usha no Sihle in the background.
Oh, you saw me with Sihle at some point, dancing and all of that.
We are suspect. According to her, nothing is happening. It's just, my suspicions. While Linda said, hey, manje kwenzakalani? King. Ngeni itering ze show. Sifike inkaba. Sishaya uBrainwood. Sishaya ikhaveli inkaba. Zangeni inkaba. You know. A few moments later, fika uThibos, right? Thibos umacala ka Mlibat. Yabo. So manje uThibos makafika, I realize ukuthi man. And then nayi la uthi le Usihle eshaya nomuntu out here Mlibat. Right? Unoxolo. Aje makatsinzi. And then wena skipani. Yabo. That's when the fight starts. Let me not waste your time. Bukelani show. Nazo ke. Abaqala kiyo diamond. Kiyo diamond makala.
Sheba, uskontella.
Wena mfethu wena. Ujela botala wena. Sis. Baby wam defender. Hello.
Baby wam defender.
Patinyeka vaya. Awucha. Vaya. Ajeploni patinyawo ya vaya wena. Awucha. Yana wanyibeta na wembeta noka.
Yekela lentana ngizithathela mas.
Did you see that clap? It was like a shaft. It was a shaft. Yeah? He's really committed. Let us spam some lap. Hey, get shuba man.
Naye umfowethu Usihle. Sekusihle so support Usihle umfowethu.
Mina ngilande.
Oh, Don't remember when. These guys are a vibe, bruh. I wish I was friends with these two guys, man. So you can go to like the Taboo or something with these two guys. They look like a complete vibe. Yeah. Don't remember when. I mean.
Mangifika la awusali wedwa njengomemana kwethu. Sekulwa nami futhi. Awusho ngendlela nje sisona.
Yabo Nkabi, mina ngizani namasimo
Into
sona.
engifuna siyenze manje njengamabhinqa. Yabona masibuyela lapha
Njengamabhinqa.
into ethi ibhodlela ethi jona sibhe. Mina sisukela ngebhala sesiphethwe. Siyabalala manje.
Like for
ngomacala uyangifonela
Okay.
wangitshela ukuthi usipati
Yeah.
anamvela obvious hayi ubumnandi hayi into yami
I think we can make like a good team. It would be me, the two guys, the Inkabzami, there's two, this short guy, 4 of us, 4 musketeers.
so no kushela mina mangifika lapha nepatini
Eh.
demane ki demana jella macala brawaka like next understand what the fuck unginvite jwang ko thiyo jena brawaka etsa le didinye o ka etsa wena ko nna direnye
But you were the one who started the fight.
brawaka ala longo chila no kamya ke tse ki phuthe matso au tshejela macala wa straight okay macala ke macala ka macala
Eh.
ne
Eh.
au tshejela macala wa yona macala yona fedi nna tlo nketsa brawaka go chila ke na to be honest ne
Yeah.
a ke tlo emela ntho ke sa e tsebe entle ke a ke tlo emela masepa brawaka man au tshe
Wena mfethu sithe hamba mfethu.
Okay.
Ukuthi hamba.
Okay.
brawaka wena go chila ke re dinkabi
Khuluma understand.
ah jole do ke tse imply
Ima.
thunya no ke shwentsha
Lalela mfethu. Nawe ngifuna ukwenza into
okay
engisola ngayo.
akivai
Senzo ufuna ukwenza
Mlaye,
into engisola
senzo,
ngayo.
mlaye.
Awukahle mfethu.
ima phethe no chempla kinyeli emkabi
Okay, angamsebenzi ekamera. Wena ufuna ngawo.
Ono lethi inkabi zakhe manje sekhuluma ngenye izinto esingasitshelanga zona. Mina honestly today I just went there to have fun, bro. Like honestly. Genuine fun.
Die for shit.
What if like we end up fucking each other up? I wanna go to jail for a murder case. What if like I got angry and then I picked a screwdriver up and started fucking the motherfuckers for having guns and stuff like that? But you know, it is what it is, man.
Can't bring a screwdriver to a
Fuck them niggas.
But bakushayile.
I wanna go. I want to go.
Bafethu wo. Imasihle wawenza kanje mfethu.
Ngenzeni?
Why manje ululisa abantu lesivakashele wena?
Bangishayile ubonile bangishayile amazaza wami balahlele phansi yabona ikaphili daddy
Oh my god, this show is amazing, bro.
You understand?
Let the bygone be the bygones. Asithukanga sonke. Ayiyela iya khona. Yeah, asithukanga. Nywana kinywana. Ngekho thukile. Ngeke sosaba labafana nyana laba.
baba usihle ne unomfazi wakhe
Ulile.
unecheria
Yeah. Yini inkinga ba?
umfazi wamhlonipha kodwa uyashaya ngapha esayidini amathenda lawo
Ngiyawabamba amathenda ngiyazibambela.
izilima kanti
Intwana zami lezi ngisenzela yonke into tshintsha.
ngizokhuluma ngamazulu
Yeah,
ngamazulu hey
Bheka nawe tshintsha vibe. Nawe hamba. Thatha lento eziphambili. Hambani.
Thanks guys for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Do you help me grow the channel? I'm trying to reach 100 subscribers in the next month. Help your boy out. Let's go, man. Till another video. Cheers.